Welcome to Writers ER. This is the place where academic hurdles turn into stepping stones towards success. Today we're tackling a stage that feels like a mountain for many, the infamous all but dissertation phase. But don't worry, we're here to transform this daunting step into a springboard for your career. Picture this. You're on a stage holding your dissertation, not just as a token of your academic journey, but as a golden ticket to your dream job. Sounds like a fairy tale? It's not, and we're going to show you how to make it happen. The might of a dissertation. First off, let's grasp the might of your dissertation. It's more than just a document. It's a display of your skills, commitment, and innovative thoughts. It's a treasure trove of ideas, research, and insights that can swing open doors to fresh opportunities. Spotting career paths. Kick off by spotting the potential career trails your dissertation could lead you down. Whether it's academia, the corporate world, or starting your own business, your dissertation is a key that can unlock these gateways. For example, if your research revolves around renewable energy, companies in this field might be hunting for someone with your exact knowledge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Networking and exposure. Rubbing shoulders with the right people is key. Attend conferences, seminars, and workshops. Share your findings and chat about them with experts in your area. This exposure not only boosts your reputation, but also puts you on the map for potential employers or collaborators. Publishing your work. Never undervalue the power of getting published. Turn parts of your dissertation into articles for academic journals or magazines in your field. This not only widens your audience, but also positions you as a thought leader in your specialty. Harnessing social media. In our digital era, your online presence counts. Use platforms like LinkedIn, ResearchGate, or even Twitter to share your research. Engage with the online academic community. You never know who might stumble upon your work and toss you an opportunity. Applying your research. Consider the practical uses of your research. How can it fix real-world issues? If your dissertation tackles a unique problem, think about consulting or even launching your own startup. Your research could be the solution many are seeking. Teaching and mentoring. Your journey doesn't stop with your dissertation. Use your experience to teach and mentor others. Universities and online platforms are always on the hunt for knowledgeable folks to guide the next wave of researchers. Welcoming feedback. Don't be shy about feedback. Chat about your dissertation with mentors, peers, and even professionals outside the academic world. Their insights can help you polish your research and uncover new angles that could catch the eye of potential employers or investors. Stay current and flexible. Keep up to date with the latest trends and developments in your field. Shape your dissertation to mirror these changes. This not only shows that your research is up to speed, but also that you're a lifelong learner, a trait highly valued in any work setting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Your dissertation, your story. Remember, your dissertation is your story. It's a tale of your growth, challenges, and victories. When you share it with the world, do so with confidence and pride. Whether it's at an interview, a networking event, or a casual chat, let your passion shine through. Your enthusiasm can be just as captivating as the content of your research.